Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. I am Shivam and I'll be guiding you through today's session. We are here to give you a closer look at how Fliki can help you create professional, on-brand training and development videos, and that too with ease. Today we'll dive into some of the best practices and explore Fliki's latest feature. Now, without further ado, I'd like to introduce Sahil, who will be conducting the product demo. So let me put him on stage. So Sahil, can you take us through some of the best practices for creating effective training and development videos?
Sure. So yes, I will just to introduce the Shivam and me from the Fliki AI marketing team. Today I will show you some best practices about how to create some great L&D and training videos, which is a lot of our users who come to our platform to create these kind of videos. So yeah, I will not waste a lot of time. I'll get right into it. So yes, Shivam, can you just put the screen on
Yeah, let me
stage?
put your screen on
Yeah.
stage. Yeah. Perfect. It's there.
All right, so this is how it starts. So once you log in and once you sign up with us, you will see all the type of videos which you can create. Now, obviously, I'm gonna go right into the video which we are here for, which is the training and L&D video. Now, there are two types which people generally like to, or our users generally like to use, is PPT to video and also script to video. So script to video is where you add like a paragraph of a script. We create a video out of it, or you could also upload any of your PowerPoint presentations which you have, any corporate presentations, and we will again create a script out of it. We summarize that content from your PowerPoint, and then we make a video using those slides. I'm going to take you through the script to video feature today. We'll take it from there, and we're going to talk more about data protection and a training for data protection for my employees. I think I'll keep it to maybe less than 2 minutes. I will go next. So here it shows me all the options. If I want, I can go and select AI media, which will generate AI images or AI videos for me. Well, I do prefer stock, so I'll keep it as stock. I would also add an avatar because it sort of gives a lot of personalization. It shows a person talking, so I think it's much better that way. I also added my brand already, so you can always go in the settings and add your brand logo and your colors, and we would sort of pick that up and put it on the video. Again, I think towards the end of the demo, I can also show you how to do this. Um, and the next thing, which also I prefer a lot, is the templates. So Fliki AI has, I think, about 20 plus templates, and they can also create custom templates for some enterprises. So
Oh,
I like this template, so I've selected this template as well. And with this, pretty much all I have to do is click submit, and my video will be ready in like just a few minutes, right? But to ease the process, I have actually already created the video and I've kept it ready so we could jump right into it rather than waiting for any of this. So yes, moving forward, you can see this video has been created. I will just play the video. We'll watch maybe like a few seconds of it, and then I will jump right into a couple of changes which you could do and how easy it is. And also, by the way, it took, I think, me only about 10 minutes, 10 15 minutes to make this video. So it was fairly quick, completely branded as per the company I have chosen. So yeah, I will just go ahead and play this video for now.
hi. I am Nicole, and welcome to our session today on data protection. Joining with me is Frank, who will take us through all the steps for handling confidential data safely and securely.
Hi, I am Frank, and in this session, we'll explore all the key steps you can take to ensure company data stays secure. So let's dive right into it.
So one thing which I would like to point out is that what we wanted to do is make sure it is like two people talking, just like this webinar. It's more conversational. So I added two avatars. One was more of an introduction person. One was the person who's telling them more about data itself. Also, one more thing to notice that I have added my own screenshot here. So I have recorded my own screen here, also with Fliki, by the way. It's not done on any other platform, so it's pretty straightforward. All I can do is go on my tab, and I can record my media. Now I can either record my camera or the screen itself, or both of them, right? So it gives you a loop video kind of effect, or I could just choose one of them. So I just chose my screen, and then I chose to add an AI voiceover behind it. And if you do not like that, you can always go on stock media and select whatever the media you're looking for, and you can simply change it. I think it's as simple as that. All you have to do is click a button and it's there. And if I click play, it will again obviously use the same voiceover, just with the different media, and everything's in. It's going to be the same.
Look out for suspicious emails or requests that seem unusual or off. Number 2, always use strong passwords and avoid simple ones like 12345.
Now, one more thing to add is, let's say over here, you do not like the size of these fonts, or maybe you don't like the color of this, or just the alignment altogether. Everything can be edited over here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this text. I can play around with the fonts. I can manage the letter spacing if I don't like it. I can change the color of the text. This is the background, the red color you see. I can remove the background altogether, or I can add whatever the color I want to it. I can add animation. So if I want to, slide in, sort of have an entry, or maybe do like a fade, I can do all of that over here. I can also manage the timing of it. Let's say I wanted to come at a later time during the video. I can manage that, and it will make sure it only comes after, in this case, 3 seconds. Um, so these are the some kind of edits you can make to your text, either or to your avatar, to your image, and everything. So you can literally manage everything with just a few clicks, and literally it just takes a few minutes, and you don't need any experience or any video creation experience. You can see how straightforward and easy it is. All you have to do is click on the actual media you want, and you can edit very, very straightforward and very, very easy.
2345 and change them regularly for enhanced security. Number 3, secure your devices by connecting only to safe networks and never share work information over unsecured Wi-Fi. Number 4,
Sahil, it looks amazing. Can you tell the users about that auto pick? I saw an auto pick option in the media there.
Sure. So yes, we can always also auto pick. So let's say now, obviously, one thing that I mentioned is you have to go and search for it. Let's say you do not want to do that. You can just click on auto pick, and the AI will pick the image for you altogether. Again, you don't have to do anything. Just click a button, and then the AI picks the image for you. You can, again, if you do not like it, you can either click on auto pick again, or you can just go and select any other image or video that you like. And all of this is completely included in, I think, pretty much all of our packages, and it's completely copyright free also.
always use
Oh,
strong passwords and
that's
Any
amazing.
other,
That's amazing.
yeah, anything else which usually Shivam, according to you, is something which our users ask, or any other questions?
Um, Sahil, we often get asked about translating videos. How easy or difficult is it to do that?
It's actually very, very straightforward as well. So let me just show you. So let's say the whole video is in English, and let's say now I have a team in Spain, right, who
Hmm.
who wants the exact same training. Now, generally, you'll have to go get a translator on board, get it all translated, go to your Adobe Effects or whatever tool you're using. Well, not here, right? Here, you just go click on Spanish. Let me just find Spanish, and let's say I find the Spain accent, and that's it. I just click on submit, and I think in just a matter of less than a minute, the whole video will be converted into Spanish. And well, I do not know Spanish, so I'm just gonna play it and see how it comes out.
Soy Nicole y les doy la bienvenida. Hola, soy Frank. Número 1. Reconocer el fraude es fundamental. Esté atento a correos electrónicos sospechosos o solicitudes que parezcan inusuales o extrañas. Número 2. Utilice siempre contraseñas seguras y evite las simples como 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y cámbielas periódicamente para una mayor seguridad.
So as you see now, the complete video is in Spanish. I did not do anything, did not edit anything. It just took me like one click, and it was completely translated into Spanish.
I just noticed that the avatar was not moving. It was still like, can you let the users know
Yes.
why is that? And
So generally, what we do is, since we converted obviously the language, since it was in English, I had got it prepared. But when you change the language, you can read it. You can see if you're happy with whatever the text is, and you can click generate. Again, in just a matter of minutes, it will lip sync, and it will completely generate your avatar. So again, it is as simple as that. We just want to ensure that you're happy with the text it is before generating the avatar.
So that's cool. Sahil, you also shown us great collection of templates earlier towards the start. But
Mhm.
what if I want something specific that's not there yet?
Perfect. Let me again share my screen and show you
Mm-hmm.
something, some other feature also which you can use. So I've come back to the homepage. Remember the screen when I signed up? This is the first
Yeah.
screen we had seen. You can start from a blank file. You can start from an empty file. I'm just going to call it test for now. This is an empty file. I can create everything the way I want. I can edit my complete scene. I can also change the voiceover, which you can also do it in that feature, but I can completely add there 2,500 plus ultra realistic voices and obviously multiple dialects and languages. I can select my media and I can sort of customize it completely as I like. We also, on our enterprise plans, provide custom branded templates which we can make for people who are on the enterprise plan only. So that's also something which we provide.
Cool, cool, cool. Sounds good. Uh, Apart from that, I think there are three or four packages of Flicky. Could you give us an overview of which package fits which use case?
Sure. So to do that, I will also share my screen again, and I will show you the. This is again on a website. This is completely open. You can just go to flicky.ai and you can click on the pricing, and you can see our complete pricing plans, monthly and yearly. So let me just go through the monthly first, and I will let you know more. So the standard plan is it does not give you the AI media. So any kind of AI videos or images is something which you cannot generate, but everything else is in this feature. Even the AI avatars, we'll have a limited library. We don't have all the library which we provide in our standard feature. We do suggest a premium feature for people who want those kind of features. But if you're just starting out and you're happy with the stock media, you can start with the standard plan, which is $28, and you can make approximately, I think, about 1 to 2 hours of videos in a month. When it comes to premium, I think the videos sort of go almost double of that number, and you can create AI media, AI videos, AI images, which will be obviously completely personalized to you because it's created by AI. You have access to all the AI avatars. So yeah, if you're looking for something like that, that's something which I think you should go for. And then we have the enterprise plan, which is obviously fully customized as per your needs. If you have very high requirements, which is more than, let's say, 3 to 4 hours of video which you want to make in a month. Let's say you need API, you need professional AI models. We have professional voice cloning features, so that all goes in the enterprise plan as well. One thing which I forgot to mention, we also have the voice cloning feature in the premium plan. That's also something which we provide. And if you book any of our yearly plans, you'll have to obviously pay upfront, but there's a 25% discount automatically, which was applied using our yearly packages as well.
So that's pretty comprehensive and I like the pricing. You mentioned about voice cloning.
Mhm.
So I just wanted to ask you like how easy is it to voice clone? Do like people have to visit you guys or like do some
Sure,
sort of recording in professional studio? Like what's how's
sure.
the process there?
I will show that to you as well. Let me again just quickly share my screen and let me show it to you again. It's pretty straightforward. All you have
Mm-hmm.
to do is just go on Flicky. Again, this is the home page, which we've
Sal,
seen.
just wait a second, wait a second. I think your screen is not on stage. Let me add it. Yeah, now you can go ahead.
Sorry. Okay. So yeah, we'll have to come back again on the home section, which is when you sign up or when you log in, you will find all of this. We have the voice clone feature here. You can just click on it. Um, it's again very simple, very straightforward. All you have to do is add your name. So I'm just going to add my own name, gender, male or female, and select a language. Then you have to do this. This is, I think, like a 2 minute text which you have to read. You just have to record it. And I think within maximum 6 hours, we approve your voice and then you can use it in your account. The best part is only you can use it in your own account. So it's private, it's only for you. Uh, this voice is not shared across any accounts or any of that stuff.
That's amazing. Now, actually, we wanted to go through some of the frequently asked questions we often receive in our inbox. So, first of all, let me just quickly check that. First question is personalized AI avatar and professional voice cloning.
Mhm.
Does Fliki provide that?
Yes, so this does come up couple of times with the enterprise plans, and that's why we only provide it in the enterprise plan. So any questions regarding the enterprise plan, you can always contact us. Either you can just go to our website and click on this contact us button and fill up the form, or you can directly email us at sales@fliki.ai. It is SALES @fliki.ai. You can just contact us and we will get back to you based on whatever your requirements are. But do keep in mind that professional voice cloning is something which it's a much longer script than the 2 minute script you had seen. But that also means that it is 100% accurate about your voice. Whereas the one which we have in the premium plan would be about 85-90% accurate to your voice. So yes, that's the only difference. So people who are looking exactly a match of their voice, we can do that. But as only a part of the enterprise plan.
All right, all right. What about personalized AI avatar? How is it different from the
So
avatar we
personal AI
provide?
avatar is like, let's say I want to create my own AI avatar, which is also only a part of the enterprise plan. So again, we tell you to shoot like your video in front of a green screen in certain poses, and you have to do certain actions, and then we take it from there, and then we provide an avatar which is of yours. Like if you want to add your
Hmm.
own avatar with body movements and stuff, so we can do that as well. But there is a workaround solution for it though. What you can do is you can click on the avatar, like I have already put my picture here. So I can add that. And what it will do is uh, it will just get the lip sync on it. So if I just generate it, I think it'll take maybe a minute for it to generate, but it will catch the lip sync of it and it will accurately take the lip sync. So I think that's a workaround if that's something you're looking for as well. Is what we can also provide on this
Hmm.
is a part of the premium plan already.
Yeah, that looks amazing. So people can actually create photo avatars with their images. So
Yeah,
again, there
and
I
I can
see your
just
lip
play
sync.
it and share.
Is Frank, who will take us through all the steps for handling confidential data safely and securely.
So yes,
Maybe
it
you
gives
need
you
to
that.
choose a male voice.
Yeah, so it gives you that, and then of course you can always go and change any voice you want. You have 2,500 plus voices, and of course you can do your own voice cloning and use that voice as well. So it will look like you are speaking on it. So yeah, I think that's something which is a functionality you can do it on Flicky even today.
Amazing, amazing. Sahil, what if I want to change the pronunciation of a certain word? Can I do that with Flicky?
Yes, again, so this is where we translated. Right above that, we
Hmm.
have pronunciation map. Now, let's say there's I don't want to use USA, I want to use United States. You can just go
Hmm.
ahead and replace it, and the whole video, the pronunciation map will be taken care of. It will say United States, it will not say USA. So we can completely
So,
manage the whole pronunciation map over here, and you can add multiple of them.
so essentially, like it will check out wherever we have written USA in the script and like replace it with United States. It's more of like I think the subtitles would still show up as USA, but the voiceover
Yes.
will speak United
Yes, the
States, right?
voiceover. Yeah, yeah. The voiceover only changes. Your text over here in the script remains the same.
Got it, got it.
Uh,
That's pretty amazing. I think Flicky has pretty much all the bells and whistles to create training and
mhm,
development videos. That said, I think it's time to wrap up. First of all,
mhm.
I want to thank you all for joining us today. As a special token of appreciation for joining us, we are excited to offer you an exclusive 50% off on your first month charges. Let me just put this on stage. Yeah, so just use the code FLIKIWEB50, FLIKIWEB50 during checkout, and the discount code will be applied. Secondly, if you'd like to have a personalized demo tailored to your business needs, you can easily book a call through the link our team has shared in the chat. And for any enterprise queries or API requests, as I mentioned earlier, feel free to reach out to us at sales@fliki.ai. Now let's move on to the Q&A session where our expert team will answer your questions and provide valuable insights. Now you can quickly shoot your questions in the chat below.